Ukiangalia hapa hakuna. So ukicheki hapa hard disk inaonekana, flash disk inaonekana kiko hapa. Lakini kwa file explorer haionekani. So what do? Unaenda kwa this PC, right click, then show more option. For Windows 10 itakuletea hii menu direct. Lakini Windows 11 lazima right click more options. Unaenda manage. Manage, uende kwa disk management. You'll find it here. Already it is detected. So you are going to change the drive letter. Make the drive letter and the paths here. So allow access to this volume by using the following drive letter. Add a certain letter. Sasa yangu naweza amua ni add letter R because my name starts with R, for example. So then okay. After that, the flash disk will be visible now. Now it will be visible. Now you can see it. Here it is. Yes, that's all. Now it is visible. I can remove it. I can remove the flash disk. Here imetoka. You can also turn it back again, and it will be visible. Here it is. So here it is. And friends, that is the end of my video.